Okay, so this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to switch to a Instagram business account. It's super easy process to switching your Instagram account from personal to business. First of all, go ahead and launch your Instagram account and jump into your profile page. Once you are in your Instagram profile page, tap on this menu icon at the top right and tap on settings and privacy, and here scroll down under for professional section. You will get this account type and tools option. Tap on that, and to switch to Instagram business account, tap on switch to professional account, tap on continue for 4 times, and now select a category for your account. Tap on done, and in this page we need to select business. Tap on next, and now you can add here your business information, but I'm going to skip this. You can also add or connect your Facebook to your Instagram here, but I'm going to skip this option, and tapping on this cross icon at the top right, and that's it. As you can see, here's my professional dashboard has been added in my Instagram profile page. It's mean I've successfully connected or switched to Instagram business account. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.